Morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, Island Vibes with David. It's Corpus Christi morning here in Trinidad and Tobago. And today we can make a little cook, a fireside cook. A little dal rice and layers. As you see, I sip a little ginger tea and garlic. Good for the mucus and sinus and all these kind of things. So you must try it. So I want to take you along with me in this journey today as we bubbly pot outside in the fireside. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let me get going. Bless. Yeah guys, so we starting off with a little seasoning. Prepare the garlic, onions, pimento. Right, so we can cut it up, clean it, and we get the ball rolling. So there we go. Alright. So I just finished organizing the seasoning here. Some fresh green seasoning, some seasoned pepper or pimento, onion, garlic, black pepper, salt, and the layers. Then we get seasoning. We're gonna start with some salt. Salt to taste. You can always add salt as you go along. Some black pepper. Some garlic. I'll leave him back this here. Bunjay, you know, when we start the bunjay the pot. Some onions. Polish pepper. Pimento, sorry. And the green seasoning. Right? And mix it up there. Right, so I'm gonna let that marinate there for half an hour to an hour while we gonna prep the fireside. So let me go. Right, so here I have my homemade fireside. I take 2 carom, weld them up together and cut a hole here inside. Build a little small stand for it. Cut out a hole on top here, right? I'm a wood here, firewood. Time to organize. So you organize the firewood and get it pot bubbling. Using teak. Alright guys, so let me load up the fireside. Right, so I have some sawdust with some shavings. I'm gonna put it right inside. This is like a real fuel now. Some garden paper inside it too. Let me light them up here. Alright guys, so we have the fire going here. Let me get cooking here. Some oil. We have here some garlic, onion, some fresh seasoning, curry powder, and garam masala, and jeera. When you get like on the onion here, fry it up. As soon as you get a little brown, I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning. You know. Hey guys, so saya mau pot oleh bubbling today. Oleh cooking, what vibes oleh keeping, oleh doing. Put in the comments. Saya mau oleh doing. Right? Come in. Add the curry, jeera. Yeah. So now let's curry fry them properly here. And then we're throwing the layers. Hi guys, so the curry already packed here. We add the layers. Yeah boy, really? Alright guys, so moment of truth. Here we go. Okay. So yeah. Chata mata. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add some water here. Just cover him up a little bit. And then cook down bit. Bless. Guys, so we had the pot bubbling in the back there, the fireside. And in the meantime, I want to give you guys an update on the kitchen garden that I did a week ago. If you want to see that video, which I in the description, I'll put a link in the description. How I made the kitchen garden from scratch using scrap materials. So these are update, 1 week update. You see some good progress. Plants catch and they're growing. Save, pimento, celery, broccoli, and bandania with shadow bean, rosemary, and a fine thyme. So that's 1 week update. I'll update you guys again as it grow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and you can also share. So bless. I'll see you guys when it's time to eat. Alright guys, so there you have it. Fireside curry layers, dal, and rice. Now it's time to eat. Welcome back guys. So we just finished cook dal, rice, curry layers on the fireside. So now it's time to taste. Let me taste this thing here. This is dal and rice. Dal and rice, good. It is the layers now. Wow. layers, tender, enough salt, enough seasoning. Here it is, guys. Fireside, Fireside. Right, so I got slim with wifey, done my food, and let's chillax till the rest of the evening. Comment and tell me what you all gonna do today. This Corpus Christi, some people may planting. So they say it's a good day to plant today. So, I will have for you today. Until my next adventure. Take care. God bless.